everyone, Jacob from Dragon Tiny Homes here. We just finished the 10th annual Georgia Tiny Home Festival that we actually hosted here at our brand new property, Savannah Acres Tiny Home Community. This is a community that we are building in Girard, Georgia, just outside of Augusta, about 30-minute drive. This is a tiny home community that we just purchased and are working towards getting ready to go so you guys can rent lots for your brand new tiny homes. So this community here has 110 spots that are already done with all the power, water, and sewer. We are working on all of the site work now to grade the lots, make the grass look nice, do all of the landscaping, put fencing in, and get all of these lots ready to go. But because we just had the festival and we're out here with things set up, I want to take a minute and show you guys around kind of what we're doing, what the vision is, and give you guys some insight into what Savannah Acres is going to be. Again, still a lot of work to do, but this gives you an idea what we're doing, and then we are starting to lease this out now. If you order a home from us, the great thing is, with this being our own community, we will build the home, deliver the home, set up the home, connect everything, all the utilities. We will build the deck, fence, everything like that, so that all you need to do is move in. So this is turnkey, ready to go homes, of course, built by us at Dragon Tiny Homes, put here in a brand new community in Savannah Acres. As we walk around right now, you can see we're in kind of the model area. So you can see all of the models that we have. We, of course, had these set up for the tiny home show. As we come over here, you can see we have more model homes over here. This area later will be set up more as like a retail setting. We can have offices or retail spaces. Let's say somebody wanted to do a hair salon or something like that. We can do that here at the front of the property. Like I said, we have 110 lots ready to go already, and then we're gonna add a couple more in the back part of the property. Our goal with this property though is to do something that we haven't seen done before in tiny homes, which is give people a little bit bigger space to have their tiny home. So our average lot size here is 50 by 100. And as we come around the corner here, I'll show you what one of the lots looks like set up with a 32-foot home. But we are going to have 20-foot wide roads, so we can have two-way traffic on all roads. And then once we get through a bulk of the construction, we're going to go back through and pave those roads. So every lot comes with an off-street parking space. Of course, the tiny home that will be set up, connected to all the utilities, and then it's going to have a front yard and backyard that's going to be fully fenced in and private. So as we get over here, you can see what one of the lots looks like. We're now in the front part of a lot with a 32-foot home on it. This right here that I'm standing on is the off-street parking. This one's set up for 2 parking spots. Every lot comes with a single car parking spot, but of course we can add more on. We could pave this if you wanted. We can also build a deck off the front of the home to give you as much deck space as you want. But I just want to show you guys how much room there actually is in the front yard of this home. This is all this unit's lot. So you have from this fence line all the way back to the other side with the home on it. And as we go this way, we get into the backyard. So every lot comes with a private backyard, of course fenced in, and this is what it looks like. You can see just how much space there really is back here. You can let the dogs out, have a private space for them to run, not have to take them to the dog park all the time. You could plant flowers, plants, grow your own vegetables back here. There's a lot that you can do in the backyard here, and you're free to set this up how you like. You can do kind of what you want back here in your own private space, and this really just gives you a lot more freedom and space to do your life things that we haven't seen done in any other tiny home community before. So that's kind of the idea here with Savannah Acres, is really give you a place to put your tiny home that is not cramped. You have room to do your things. And of course, here's what it looks like with a 32-foot home. So this is currently the biggest home we make, and you can see really just how much space there is out here. Like I said, we're working on this now. All the utilities are done, so we are ready to keep moving. We're working on kind of the site work, like I mentioned, landscaping, fencing, and things like that. So we are leasing this now. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We're available all the time to answer any questions that you'd have.